Hi everyone, in today's video I will teach you how to put together the Khmer consonant with Sra A to make a new Khmer word. Sra A, it sounds A when you put together with the first group of the consonant, or it sounds ear when you put together with the second group of Khmer consonant. Now let's start with Ko with Sra A, Ka. Ko with Sra A, Ka. Go with Sra E, Kia. Ko with Sra E, Kia. Ngo with Sra E, Nghia. Cho with Sra A, Cha. Cho with Sra A, Cha. Cho Sra E, Chia. Cho with Sra E, Chia. Nhô with Sra E, Nhia. Đo with Sra A, Đá. Tho with Sra A, Tha. Đô with Sra E, Đĩa. Thô with Sra E, Thia. No with Sra A, Na. To with Sra A, Ta. Tho with Sra A, Tha. Tô with Sra E, Tia. Thô with Sra E, Thia. No with Sra E, Nia. Bo with Sra A, Ba. Po with Sra A, Pa. Po with Sra E, Pia. Po with Sra E, Pia. Mo with Sra E, Mia. Yo with Sra E, Yea. Ro with Sra E, Ria. Lo with Sra E, Lia. Vô with Sra E, Via. So with Sra A, Sa. Ho with Sra A, Ha. Lo with Sra A, La. And O with Sra A, A. I hope you have learned something new today, and thank you very much for watching.